Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to find a specific word in Excel using formula. Make sure to find a specific word or text string within a cell in Excel using a formula. Primarily use the search or find function. So the most common method is the search function. It looks like for a word regardless of whether it is uppercase or lowercase. So for this you need to put the equal sign and use the search function. Type search, open the bracket, double quote, and now put the word which you want to search. For example, I'll be searching Maria regardless of the capital or small letter. Double quote, comma, space, and select the cell's reference and select the data range itself and put the close bracket, hit enter. So Excel will return the number representing starting position of the word. If the word is not found, it returns a hash value error, or if it is found, it will be shown as number 1. So here you can see that Maria has been found 3 times in the 4th row and in the 9th row and in the 15th row. So there is another professional true false method. To make your Excel sheet look cleaner, wrap the search in an is number function. So this tells you true if the word exists and false if it does not. So for this you need to put the equal sign and type is number, open the bracket and type search and open the bracket and now double quote and now type the word which you want to find. For example, again Maria and double quote, comma, space, and select the data range. For example 3 to 8. Close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula, hit enter. So you can see that if the word false, that means this word it does not exist in the data, and if it shows true, that means this word is exist in the data. So here is, you can see that 3 times Maria is exist in the data. So this way you can easily find a specific word in Excel using formula. If your data set is too big, this formula is a very helpful tool, so you should try it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.